what we do with one hand, we undo with another hand. This is how human life goes on. What we do with one hand, we, we, we undo that. Every individual suffers from this disease. All individuals suffers from this disease. What is the disease? What you make with one hand, you destroy with another hand. In the Bible, there is a beautiful story. Uh, Jesus Christ used to repeat this story quite a few times. Beautiful story. The owner of the field sowed wheat. Next morning, the servants came and saw lot of wild seeds were also thrown in the same field. Now they are getting now they are getting worried. Now they are getting agitated. Who is the one who is coming and sowing the wild seeds? How to save the crop? How to save the crop now? Because both the seeds are mixed up. How to save the crop now? You remove the wild seed, the wheat seed also gets removed. You understand that, no? If the wild seed is removed, the wheat also gets removed. It means you will end up not having anything. Therefore, they decided what? Let both grow. Finally, after the harvest is over, we will segregate the two. After the harvest is over, we will segregate the two. One person said, no, this method doesn't work. One wise person said, this method doesn't work. Why? Evil should be destroyed as early as possible. You don't keep it. You don't allow it to grow along with you don't allow the weed to grow along with the wheat and then sit and segregate. We are happy doing that. Yeah, that's how we live life. We make both grow together and we try to segregate. Then those servants got together and decided who is against our master, who is the enemy of our master that they are throwing wild seeds. Inquiring. One person seemed to know the answer and he is not giving the answer. So he was taken aside and said, tell me, we will not, we will keep it between us, we will keep it. We will not share it to anybody. Who? It is our master who has thrown the seeds. The person throw the wheat seeds during the daytime and goes and throws the wild seeds in the night. This is how we live life. What you build in the day, you demolish in the night. What you do at one point of time, you go on demolishing it at another point in time. Why do you do that? What makes a human being to do that? Distractions. Worry. They go on worrying. That worry drives them into an action, and that very action itself causes the weed to grow. You do the right thing and then you start worrying. Out of that worry, you do something, and that worry itself is the weed. And you go on and on and on. And he says, all human beings All human beings die this. All human beings does this mistake. Why we go on doing this mistake? Why we go on doing this mistake? What is the reason for this mistake? We go on undoing. What is the reason? What is the reason? The hurry, the impatience. We have forgotten patience is great strength. Patience means great strength. Not asking means self-confidence. We have not understood all that. We have missed all this. Not to ask for anything means you have tremendous self-confidence. That's why you don't go and ask. You lack in self-confidence, you go and ask. Similarly, paradoxical it is. And we have said this any number of times. Life is full of this. Life is full of such paradoxes. And what is this paradox? Patience is a great strength, but we are so impatient. Patience is a great strength as an advice to others. But as far as I am concerned, I will be impatient only. Patience is a virtue for others. But when it comes to me, it is. But sir, in the world, patience and all doesn't work. You have to be fast, quick. Then only it works. Jesus Christ. You sow the weed, you sow the wheat and you sow the wheat. Both will grow together. In fact, the weed will outgrow the wheat. As a tragedy. You put together, the weed always grows faster than the wheat. Outgrows. Why? Tremendous impatience. Why this impatience? Greed. Every human being believes that they should get it